Hey, how's it going guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toasty Bros, and today we're going to be partying together a $700 gaming PC.
It's taking advantage of a very interesting graphics card deal. This is the RX 6600M. We picked this one up on Amazon for a pretty good price, but you can buy these things on AliExpress and other retailers for less than what you would pay normally for a normal RX 6600 and get pretty much the same performance. But before we dive into this build guide, let's hear a word from today's sponsor. Today's video is brought to you by Lexar and their NM800 Pro Gen 4 M.2 SSD. Designed for hardcore gamers, professionals, and creators, the Lexar Professional NM800 Pro provides unparalleled performance with speeds up to 7,500 megabytes per second read and 6,500 megabytes per second write. The NM800 Pro uses next-gen PCI Gen 4 SSD technology, so you can experience 2 times faster speeds than PCI 3.0 SSDs. The NM800 Pro also features an impressive cooling heatsink compatible with both PS5 and PCs. The NM800 Pro is also built to last while being both shock and vibration resistant, and it also comes with a 5-year limited product support to give you peace of mind that your data is safe and secure. Be sure to check the link in the description down below to learn more, and big thanks again to Lexar for sponsoring today's video.
So for $700, this is going to be a PC that you can easily part together yourself at home. It has a great upgrade path, but out of the box, you will be able to play pretty much anything you want at 1080p, some games even on higher settings.
But yeah, this PC is going to be really awesome to put together. Let's not waste any more time and talk about the parts.
For the CPU, we have the i3-12100F 4-core 8-thread. Now, if you really wanted to, you could go 13th gen on this motherboard, but we wanted to save some money. I mean, these things are right around $100, and this is the strongest 4-core 8-thread you can really get. It does absolutely amazing, and it can support up to like a RX 6700 XT with no bottlenecking, really. Speaking of 13th gen ready, we have this ASRock B660M Pro RS. Now, what I like about this board that you guys can't see is it actually has 4 RAM slots. It has 2 4-pins for the CPU, meaning you could really upgrade this board pretty well. I mean, you could have 64 gigs of RAM, you could have an i7 in this thing as long as you have the power supply for it, and it's very easy to upgrade. Now for RAM, we have this OLOy RAM. That is RGB. It is 2 sticks, which is very important. We have 16 gigs total, so 2x8, 3200 megahertz. So not only are we gonna get more FPS from that RGB, we're also gonna get more FPS because we're doing dual channel. Now for storage, we normally cheap out and go with like a 512, but we got a whole 1 terabyte, 5,000 megabyte per second. And the reason that's possible is this is a Gen 4 SSD, and that's fully ready to go on any B660 or Z690 of your choosing, even with an i3. So we're not even gonna have to upgrade the storage for a very long time.
So I heard you like to take risks. How about 51 of them? This right here is the 51 RX 6600M, and you might be wondering, what is this card? Well, we did a full benchmark video on this card, hit the eye in the top right corner, but basically it's a mobile RX 6600 that normally belongs to laptops, but some people were like, well, let's take those GPUs, put them on a PCB like this, put a cooler on it, and boom, make it a desktop card. Now, this one was on Amazon for $209, and as of recording this video, they're a little bit harder to get on Amazon, but on AliExpress and other retailers like that, you can buy these things for about $179 compared to the going average price of a normal 6600 of like $210 to $220. You are saving some money and getting very similar performance, which you'll see in the benchmarks. Now, in terms of the power supply, we have this good old Thermaltake Tough Series power supply GX2, 600 watt, 80 plus gold. Now, the only problem with this power supply is it does come with ketchup and mustard cables, but it has plenty of wattage and it's 80 plus gold. But we're gonna fix that issue with these sleeve cables. These are Asiahorse sleeve cables, really the one company we always recommend you go with. And I do believe I just got solid black. I did, solid black. They're gonna be nice and clean, even compared to just normal, like all black cables from a power supply. These do look nice and clean. It will make a good upgrade for your PC overall. And speaking of nice and clean, this is a case we've used a decent amount of times. This is the Air 100 ARGB. It's micro ATX, comes with ARGB fans ready to go, and it's gonna make this build look absolutely amazing for $700. I think we got some really good value for money here. Let's not waste any more time and put this thing together.
All right, guys, we're playing some Halo Infinite. We're at 1440p, medium settings. This game has a lot of settings.
It has a lot of settings.
But 1440p, that's the important part at medium. And I expect this to have a little bit of lag here and there, maybe get around 60 to 100 FPS. It's definitely a demanding game. Keep that in mind.
Yeah, we figured once we did the benchmark video of this card, we mainly tested 1080p, but for this one, we wanted to see what are the limits at 1440p, especially in a game like this that is much more demanding esports title.
British are coming. I don't know why I just threw that grenade.
Tested.
Dash. Well, that was
that was the fastest game of all time.
I had 0 kills.
You didn't kill
I
anybody?
swear I killed someone. Oh well. It's not about the kills, it's about the hill.
It's about that hill. Let's move on to the next one. All right, gamers, we are now in Fortnite running 1440p with the performance super resolution. So basically, we're downscaling to 1080p and then upscaling to 1440p, which allows us to get, well, 100 FPS at 1440p, and it looks pretty solid.
What the heck is this dropship?
I don't know, this dropship's a little freaky, if I'm being honest. Here we go.
It must be NASA month.
And yeah, I mean, we're playing at 1440p, taking advantage of this upscaling technology that allows us to get a close to high refresh rate experience. Obviously, if you're gonna build a $700 PC, you don't have to go 1440p, but we just wanted to show you the top limits with this because 1440p monitors are getting much more affordable. Over here.
Uh-oh, that's a real player. You good from your arm?
Oh!
Oh my God, you got him.
Oh. Sorry, banana. Ah, yes. Ah!
Ooh, that guy hits his shots.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Right, yep, right. Oh, he's down. He's building.
Hold up. See, this is the difference in Fortnite. Build. These guys are like, I must build.
He had no clue where you were.
I'm gonna do this. This normally never ends good, but we're gonna get him. Oh, we're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. Oh,
that was a big hit.
We're gonna get you.
About to clap his cheeks.
Oh, hold up.
Oh, he's building. He's building. Not a very good shot.
Oh! How much? 66.
They went
It wasn't really that close, but that's Fortnite. The performance is good, even at 1440p. And
they kind of deserved that, I mean.
Anyways, yeah, so that's Fortnite. Let's go ahead and move to some built-in benchmarks. We're gonna really stress this thing to its limits, and then wrap this video up.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking this $700 gaming PC, and for 700 bucks, we think you're getting a lot of bang for buck because you're able to play at 1440p at pretty much any game you throw at it, but 1080p is an absolute guaranteed at pretty much high settings.
And it's pretty easy to build this PC. As we mentioned, the graphics card is the one thing that you might need to go to AliExpress for, but if you end up doing that, you will save probably $30 to $40 buying a card from there. And we'll leave some suggestions down below with all the other affiliate links to Amazon and AliExpress so you can build this gaming PC for 700 bucks or even less. But if you don't want to deal with the hassle of finding the 6600M, you could easily use the normal RX 6600 to build a really awesome gaming PC.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll maybe see you guys in the next one. You better come back.
You better be there.
You better be there.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
So this PC right here will be at PCBros.tech for sale for an absolutely great price, so definitely check it out. And also, check out twitch.tv/toastybros because PC Bros once a month does help give away a gaming PC like this one.
PCBros.tech, gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and even merch. Guys, I need to see more merch sales. My phone will give me a notification when something sells at PCBros.tech, but I'm not seeing enough merch sales. So go to PCBros.tech, use code ToastyBros200 and check out to save 2% of your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.